Good afternoon once more, Watauga. It's been a while. Today is Friday, December 4th, 2020. It's time for a long overdue update. The COVID numbers have increased drastically over the past month, and they're expected to continue to increase. So today, let me start with the national numbers first. 14,281,380 total cases. That's almost double from early October. 279,634 deaths, with 6,851,797 recovered. Texas, we've moved to the number one spot for new cases in the country. 1,310,534 total cases. 22,645 deaths. 1,141,000 recovered. Tarrant County, we're number 3 in the state now with 105,675 cases. Those numbers too have almost doubled since early October. 1,894 new cases today, 864 deaths, and 74,266 recovered. Watauga's numbers, they've doubled since early October. We're at 991 total cases, 5 deaths, 644 recovered. Tarrant County, we're now number 3 in the state for positive cases and number 9 nationally. You can see the Tarrant County website for a complete breakdown by race, gender, and age. Hospitalization numbers. Overall hospitalization is now at 82%. Normally, we've hovered around 70-72%. So that's up a little bit. Hospital bed utilization for COVID patients is now at 18%. And this is where it gets really concerning, and this is what has set off the alarm bells and brought new restrictions. The trigger was a COVID-19 hospitalization rate above 15% for 7 consecutive days. We've exceeded that, so the new guidelines and recommendations kick in effective today. And they are: bars to close, restaurants and businesses return to a 50% occupancy level. Now, Tarrant County, they're strongly recommending that you're reducing the capacity to 50% or no more than 125 individuals, whichever is less. These occupancy limits apply to the following locations: restaurants, event centers, gyms, hotels, retail stores, theaters, convenience stores, public buildings, plazas, churches, and shopping malls. Public events and gatherings, they're being reduced from 250 to 125. Currently, grocery stores will remain exempt from those restrictions. Now, I know that we're all getting weary of the pandemic and the way it's disrupted our lives, but believe me, the masks, social distancing, and hygiene are still the key to fighting this. And again, thanks to everybody for your understanding and your compliance. Now, on to some good news. Texas is expected to get a vaccine in December, and the governor has outlined a plan for distribution. See his website for details, but I would expect that his outlined plan to be very fluid. And there's still some CARES funding dollars out there, and the CARES for Tarrant program is still ongoing. See the Tarrant County website for more details on both of those programs. As for city services, our library, they still remain curbside only. The rec center, their hours are 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. And our animal services, they have some holiday specials. See their Facebook pages for those details. On December 14th, our City Council meeting will be virtual, so tune in to watch it. Submit any questions or concerns you may have and want right into the record, or you can even register to speak live. Lastly, as I have said in my newsletter and in my tree lighting speech, the holidays are here, and this is a time for family and friends. Spend time with them. Make this time as close to normal as possible. But do it responsibly. That is the key. Know who you are socializing with. I have friends and family that I will not be able to be around because of their contact with others. That's my choice. Don't have or attend big parties. Keep your socializing to a select few. Those that choose to will have their parties and they'll have their get-togethers regardless of what I or the CDC recommends. We all know the dangers, so please, just be responsible. With that, I'll remind you again that family, friends, and neighbors is what makes Watauga a great place to live. Thank you, and have a great weekend.